In this video, we'll show you how you can remap the buttons on your mouse to perform specific tasks. So as you may already know, Windows 11 doesn't give you an option to remap the mouse keys directly. So for this, you'll need to head to the Microsoft Store and download this app called Mouse Key. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it. Now here you will need to go to this mouse button drop down menu and then select the button that you want to remap. So I'll just select this middle scroll button. Next, use this drop down menu to select single click, double click, triple click or even a long press. So I'll just select single click. Finally, from the action menu, you simply need to select the action that you want the mouse key to do. So you can select copy, paste, undo, redo or even adjust the brightness. So you can select any option that you like. So I'll just select volume off and then turn this toggle on. So basically now when I press the middle click, the volume reduces. So as you can see, the app is giving the indicator in the bottom right corner and the volume is also decreasing. Similarly, you can add more configurations like these and you can turn them on or off using this simple toggle. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.